किसानों के मुद्दे पर राहुल गांधी हल्ला बोल कर रहे हैं। पार्टी मुख्यालय पर राहुल गांधी की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही है। राहुल ने कृषि कानूनों पर बुकलेट जारी की है। सीधे इंडिया न्यूज पर राहुल गांधी लाइव।
And to me it is a tragedy that this entire country is just watching this ridiculous show. It is a tragedy because it shows me that the country itself is not able to understand the depth of what is happening. So what is going to be the result of this? The result of this is going to be 3 or 4 people are going to own India. 3 or 4 people are going to own the entire agricultural system. Farmers will not get the value they deserve. The mandi system will be destroyed. 3 or 4 businessmen will be able to store millions and millions and millions and millions of tons of wheat, rice, other essential commodities. And then, my friends in the middle class, you will be paying prices that you have never imagined. Please understand that the rice you buy, the wheat you buy, comes to you at the rate it comes because of the APMC, because of the agricultural system, because of the structure. So this is not an assault on the farmers. This is an assault on the middle class, and this is an assault on every single youngster in this country who is not going to be able to get a job. So this is what I want to tell the youngsters. Realize that your independence is being taken away. Realize that this happened before, and we fought this. And everything we have today is because of the fight that we fought. And the same exact thing is happening to India today. This is the simplest way I can put it. So, why are the farmers of Punjab and the farmers of Haryana standing there? Who are they? They are the patriots of this country who are protecting the livelihood of 60% of this country. I 100% support them. And I go further. Every single Indian person should support them because they are fighting for us. They are not fighting for themselves. They are fighting to prevent this country from falling into the hands of 2 or 3 people. That is the heart of what I wanted to say. मैं हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ. देखिए, अगर आप पिछले 6-7 साल को देखें तो हर इंडस्ट्री में उन्हीं 4-5 लोगों की मोनोपोली बन रही है. पावर देखिए, एयरपोर्ट्स देखिए, पोर्ट्स देखिए, टेलीकॉम देखिए, जहां भी आप देखेंगे उन्हीं 4-5 लोगों की मोनोपोली बन रही है. मतलब इस देश के 4-5 नए मालिक हैं. आज तक एग्रीकल्चर में, खेती में मोनोपोली नहीं थी. आज तक हिंदुस्तान के खेतों का फायदा किसानों को जाता था, मजदूरों को जाता था, मिडिल क्लास को जाता था, गरीबों को जाता था. कैसे? एक पूरा ढांचा था जो इन लोगों की रक्षा करता था. उसमें मंडियां शामिल थी, उसमें एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज एक्ट शामिल था, उसमें लीगल सिस्टम शामिल था.